Assalamualaikum and Sabahul Khair. Good morning. Welcome to Siyap Ko Kapaganad, a program where education continues at the respective media or television. Now, I will read to you a story. Imanto na adun ang batian na karkano a story. Are you excited to listen? Excited ka nun mamakinig? Santum, very good. One day, there was a boy named Nabil who asked his father, maana niyan, na adun kon awata ang ngaran niyan na si Santum, Nabil. Inisaan niyan si ama niyan. Aya inisambag i-ama niyan o dinabi niyan na si Adam agus si Hawa agus mga watairan. Subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed the family of Adam, Hawa with their children in the same way He blesses our family. Noon, narinis kinian so Adam, so Hawa, rag sumawa tairan. Datar din mambu o kapris ki iraktano at akan o Allah. Yutoy, tiguni abiyan. Katawan niyo, ang tunaono ni Pitero Inabil, inakumanagyan to. Pitero yan na Alhamdulillah. Praise be to Allah for His continuous blessings to us. Si Iko, lalayo niyan, Rotano, Kapriski, a family at yan, inshallah. Ugay na tigyabiyan, na so Allah na adun a noble purpose. Ino to inadun tanong yan. Allah created us for a noble purpose. Anto na nun, ipitiro inabil. Santum, mashallah, iniisa yan. Aabi, anto na nun, agitwa, noble purpose. What is that? Noble purpose. Aya ini sembangun iabiyan at tigyan na, my son, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created us to worship Him alone. He gave us bounty of blessings in order for us to live harmoniously in this world with His other creations. What are His other creations? Santum, the plants and the animals. Sang kaya ditan di kapagintaw sa dunia na may inamupadatano sa mga padiya na inadun. Anto naonon sa mga padiya na inadun. Santum, sa mga pangangayaman agus sa mga pamumulaan. MashaAllah. After hearing those answers and statements from his father, Nabil realized that inshallah he will worship Allah alone, obey His commandments, and avoid what He has forbidden. Aya magmamaana ang kutuwa miyagday Nabil na miya pamikirian ay ipuun sang kutwa oras na simbaan niyan. So, Allah, piya-piya. Ano man ay kasimbaan niyan ko Allah, piya-piya. Santum, simbayang tanu sa makapirang. Maka, 5 si ikusulida salungan. Kinabubugyo to, inya pamikirin bil. Ikadua, na obey Allah's commandments and avoid what He has forbidden. Pagdetanian, so inisugo o Allah ago itirgyan ang pagiwasan yan, so inisapa o Allah. Ahsantu. In connection with, his father said, "My son, always remember what our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam narrated by Abu Mas'ud al-Ansari. When a Muslim spends something on his family, intending to receive Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's reward, it is regarded as sadaqah." Ay mapamaanan yan na sumuslim aadan ang limo iyan ko pamilyan yan, ko karoman yan, drugs o mga wata yan, na kasanan. MashaAllah, what a blissful day for all of us. Again, this is teacher Norsaima Undak Umpara, saying today we learned, tomorrow we make a difference. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Goodbye. See you again, inshallah.